I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the pixel is already in Business Manager and that you have admin rights. This removes permission roadblocks. Once done, note the ad account ID you want to share with and decide the role, advertiser to run ads or analyst to view data. Make sure the destination account is in the same Business Manager or connected partner. Now navigate to Business Settings, then Data Sources, then Pixels. Select your pixel and get ready to assign permissions directly to the ad account. You'll assign permissions by selecting the pixel and choosing Assign Partners or Assign Ad Accounts. Enter the ad account ID to link them. Grant roles intentionally. Manage allows full edits. Advertiser lets the account use events for campaigns, and view only for diagnostics. Once you pick the role, confirm and save. This triggers access without moving ownership. If an agency or multiple users need access, use Add People or assign assets to grant individual level roles, so responsibilities stay clear. You finish by verifying the pixel appears as connected in the Destination Ad Accounts Events Manager and that it's receiving events. This confirms the share worked. Then run test events or use the Meta Pixel Helper to validate event firing in real time. This helps you catch configuration issues. If the pixel is missing or inactive, check Business Manager relationships, ensure both accounts are in the correct business setup, and confirm you retained admin rights. Those are the most common permission blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.